What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to update the Metabones V5 adapter. All you're going to need is your Metabones and a micro USB cable. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is head over to the metabones.com website. And then head over to support/download and then download your version of the Metabones software. Scroll down to the bottom, read everything, tick yeah, download. Oh. So it's best to make sure you've downloaded it from the actual Metabones website before you accept any of these prompts. But let's go ahead and accept. Okay, double click on the software. Okay. Now you need to take your Metabones device, take the cap off the side, try not to lose it, put in your cable, like this, and then plug your cable into the computer. And now the software should change by itself, there you go. Then you want to make sure all these boxes are ticked. We can now go ahead and click update, and then after it's finished, that should be done. Double check the firmware of the Metabones adapter by heading over to the version section found in the menus. The version of the lens should match the version that was on the Metabones software. For this to work, you need to have a lens plugged into the Metabones adapter. If you guys found this video useful, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications because there will be more videos like this and more coming soon. Bye!